House!
Hello, hi here. Welcome to my pod. Hello.
Hello everyone, come on in, come on in. Go ahead and choose around and feel free to sit anywhere you like. Just please save the very back row and a small portion of the front row for any guests traveling with full chairs in their parties. Once again everyone, come on in, come on in. Just go ahead and choose a row and then choose a seat. Our show's getting ready to start.
What are you gonna see in here anyway?
It's one of those 3D movies. Put on your glasses, Statler.
Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask!
That's not a mask.
Oh, sorry, lady!
For the comfort and safety of everyone around you, please no flash photography, video, lighting, or cell phone usage during the show. Now put on your special 3D glasses as Kermit and the gang proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
We're control penguins.
Yeah, probably took the job for the hell of it.
Gonzo? Oh. Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern high-tech facility... Hey! Careful! Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D. A new film process which we're about to demonstrate to you. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay? Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy. Little? Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
It's that dumb bear again.
Yeah. Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D.
Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest.
Yeah, we lost.
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3D act's gonna shower you all with humor. Waka waka.
He's trying to drown us. What kind of act is that?
An act of mercy.
Well, listen, better off next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold of the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine machine will now generate the first vivid 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D.
Thank you.
Here. Ooh, cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it when your nose runs? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think that'll be just about enough of Waldo, Beaker. You may deactivate.
What? What are you? What?
Oh dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down.
I'm bouncing on people's heads.
Beaker, activate the inflatomatic.
The what? You?
Hurry, Beaker, hurry.
Great. Now I can start my own football team.
Beaker, we'll have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all deeply pleased that you are this family.
Hey, I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Labs seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, Kermit, see, it's my new remote control banana green pie. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Kermit, watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, penguins.
Yeah, too bad they're gonna spoil it for the pigs.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Every minute the queen of me. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. My little dream of me. No troubles as life bubbles on, dear. Still craving a kiss. All right, that's it. Knock it off, penguin.
Oh, but it was going so well.
I will not work with the rabbit.
But I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
What?
Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was
Get
just
out.
trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away.
Aw.
Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you can come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you give me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, Speeder, that's a great effect.
Hey, Fuzzy Kermit! What is it? Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no.
Yes, our ribbons!
We gotta find him.
I
All right,
know!
everybody spread out and look for me.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment, but in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bean!
Oh, Bean!
Bunny! Bunny! Bean! Where are you?
Bean? Bean? Bean?
Bunny!
Hey, what's all the commotion about?
Bunny ran away.
Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us!
Hey, anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where? Where? Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny? Bean!
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
Oh.
This is a very moving moment. Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean! What are we doing sticking around here? Let's burn rubber! What's that?
He's Walt, my 3D friend, and we're both leaving the movie.
Right,
But Bean, if you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
right, yeah! Fireworks? Ooh.
Okay, I'll stay, but I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great!
Yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks!
Well, okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D.
Where am I?
Coming through.
What are you doing? Get back into place.
On me. Where's the reception? Oh boy. Whoa! Is it over yet? Did we start again? Sorry.
Bean, the fireworks!
Muppets away!
Enjoying the fireworks? No, your chair's on my foot!
What's this?
Stop the movie! Stop the movie, Chef! Chef! Can't you hear me? Stop the projector!
You'll hear from my lawyer!
Hey, I'll save you, penguin! Take it easy! I'm sorry! Oh, no, wait! Don't shoot! Duck, everybody! Duck! No, not you! Them! Look out!
At last, I'm out of the silly film! Hey, what are you shooting at me for? It was the penguin! Hey, watch it, will ya? You couldn't hit me with a cannon? Hey, everybody, he's got a cannon!
Everyone okay in here?
We surrender! We surrender!
What an explosion!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
They'll never recognize me now. Forward!
What a cute idiot.
Well, what do you think? We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show? We can't, you old fool. We're closer to the seats.
On behalf of Kermit and the gang, thank you for joining us.